Even if I never hear the words I hope you'd say, even if you never find the error in your ways, I know that you try to hide behind the lies you've scared. Though you hurt me, I still wish you well. Nothing could prepare me for this joy to come. Stole away the person that I was when I was free, learning how to tell those lonesome feelings that dwell. Though you hurt me, I still wish you well. And when you sleep, I hope you dream someday dancing in the sun. And when you wake, face the day, all the damage you have done. I could let it go and live to fight another day. It's enough to know that you'll be saddled with the same. And you know I live with what you did and face yourself. Though you've hurt me, I still wish you well. Though you've hurt me, I still wish you well. Well, howdy there, pluckers. Ivor Sawfingers back with you again with hopefully another interesting lesson, especially for all you Sierra Ferrell fans out there. This is a song she recorded a year or so ago, I think, and a song called Wish You Well, from the album Trail of Flowers, I believe. Okay. Please excuse the singing. Obviously, this is a lady singing this song, so you have to bear with my vocals. They're just for guidance only. Okay, so I'm in standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the key of C, which is the same key as the original recording. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed that, and you'll join me in a couple of days for the breakdown. Thanks a lot. Bye for now.